Chapter 10 Globalization. Social Studies Paper 1 One word answering questions. Half mark. Globalization has political, culture as well as dash dimensions. Economic. Globalization dimensions image. What are playing a major role in the globalization process? Multinational companies. Multinational companies image. Trade was the main channel connecting distant countries. Distant countries connecting with trade. The most common route for MNC investments is to buy up cash and to expand production. Local companies. MNC companies with local companies image. Cargill is now the largest producer of dash in India. Edible oil. Cargill products image. Without any dash trade between two countries should be free. Barriers. Trade barriers image. The aim of World Trade Organization is to liberalize international trade. Trade liberalization image. Globalization has also created new opportunities for companies providing dash, particularly those involving IT. Services. Managed IT services image. Globalization is the process of rapid dash of countries. Integration. Showing globalization and cultural integration image. The benefits of globalization have been dash distributed unevenly. Globalization impacts image. The most common route for investments by MNCs in countries around the world is to A. Set up new factories. B. Form partnerships with local companies. C. Buy existing local companies. D. None. Answer B. Form partnerships. MNC companies with partnership companies image. Globalization has led to higher standards of living of A. Poor consumers. B. Big producers. C. Well-off consumers. D. Small producers. C. Well-off consumers. Well-off consumers image. Ford Motors is connected with A. Tata Motors. B. Maruti Suzuki. C. Mahindra and Mahindra. D. Hindustan Motors. Answer C. Mahindra and Mahindra. Ford and Mahindra joint venture image. One of the ill effects of globalization in India is A. Closure of small units. B. Greater choice for urban people. C. Goods of improved quality. D. Emergency of Indian MNCs. Answer A. Closure of small units. Closure of small units image. If tax is imposed on Chinese toys, this will make A. Toy makers benefited. B. Indian toy makers will prosper. C. Chinese toys will remain cheap. D. Indian consumer will buy more Chinese toy. Answer B. Indian toy makers will prosper. Removing barriers by the government is called A. Liberalization. B. Investment. C. Trade. D. Free trade. Answer A. Liberalization. An example of a trade barrier A. Foreign investment. B. Delay of goods. C. Tax on imports. D. None. Answer C. Tax on imports. Tax on imports. Image. Liberalization in India was started around A. 1951, B. 1991, C. 1971, D. 1961. Answer B. 1991. Impacts of liberalization. Image. Globalization has created new opportunities of A. Employment, B. Emerging multinational companies, C. Providing services, D. All the above. Answer D. All the above. Impacts of globalization. Image. Which countries benefited more with globalization? The developed countries. The developed and developing countries. The world. Image. Ford Motors is a MNC of which country? USA / America. The Ford Company of America. Image. Which is the main channel connecting between the countries? Foreign trade. Foreign trade. Image. Give an example for trade barriers. Tax on imports. Import tax. Image.
Share this material for the welfare of the student community. V cube SNM from Domeru. The end.